Welcome to this instructional video on installing the Arnott new rear air shock for Infiniti QX56/QX80, Z62, and Nissan Armada, Y62. We'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth and safe installation experience. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly, and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Raise the vehicle and remove the applicable rear wheel. Additional use of a hydraulic floor jack to support the axle individually may increase the ease of removal and installation. Now disconnect the airline from the shock to deflate. Next, remove the shock top mount nut and remove all washers and bushings from the top mount. They will be reused during installation. Continue by removing the shock bottom mount bolt. You are now able to remove the shock from the vehicle. Remove the remaining washers and bushings from the shock for reuse. The removal is now complete. For the rear shock installation, first reinstall the washers and bushings on the new shock in the same orientation as before. Then install the new shock on the vehicle. Now reinstall the bottom mount bolt and tighten it to the manufacturer's specifications. Reinstall the bushings and washers onto the top mount. Next, install the provided top mount nut. Also install the airline. Presses in the airline firmly until it is completely seated. Now finish the installation by reinstalling the applicable rear wheel. Then inflate the air spring and lower the vehicle. The installation is now complete. Thank you for following our guide on installing an Arnott rear air shock. A proper installation helps maximize your vehicle's suspension performance and durability. Stay safe and enjoy a smooth ride.